When choosing a nurse call system, compliance is more than a requirement. It's the foundation of safety and reliability. At BEC Integrated Solutions, we provide UL-listed nurse call products designed to meet the highest standards in healthcare communication. Two standards often cause confusion: UL 1069 and UL 2560. While they may look similar on paper, they serve very different care environments, and selecting the wrong one can lead to costly compliance issues, project overruns, or even failure notices from state surveyors. UL 1069 is the standard for hospitals and skilled nursing facilities. It's built for acute care, where every second matters. These systems feature fixed wall stations, corridor dome lights outside patient rooms, and strict 90-second fault notifications. UL 1069 equipment is engineered to operate safely in oxygen-rich environments, making it essential for emergency rooms, ICUs, and licensed nursing beds. BEC Integrated Solutions offers UL 1069 certified nurse call hardware designed for hospital-grade durability, ensuring staff can respond quickly and reliably in critical situations. UL 2560, on the other hand, is designed for assisted living and independent living communities. It emphasizes resident mobility and independence, using wireless pendants instead of fixed stations. Alerts are sent directly to staff devices rather than dome lights, and systems include 24-hour wireless check-ins to ensure reliability. This creates a home-like environment while maintaining safety. BEC Integrated Solutions provides UL 2560 wireless nurse call and panic button solutions that combine discreet design with dependable performance, helping residents feel secure without making their environment look institutional. In short, UL 1069 is wired, hospital-grade, and focused on acute care. UL 2560 is wireless, designed for assisted living, and focused on independence. If your facility combines both care levels, you may need a hybrid approach, something BEC Integrated Solutions specializes in, ensuring compliance across mixed-use campuses and helping administrators avoid costly mistakes. The bottom line: choose UL 1069 for hospitals and skilled nursing, and UL 2560 for assisted living. Always verify with your state's licensing requirements before purchasing. For expert guidance, UL-listed nurse call hardware, and wireless panic button solutions, trust BEC Integrated Solutions. Visit BECintegrated.com or call 888-556-3998 to learn more about our products and solutions.